In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can get the Claude add-in directly in your Microsoft Excel. Note, to use Claude directly in Excel, you have to have one of the paid or upgraded plans for it to work at start. So to get the add-in, first go to the Home tab, and then you're going to want to go to the right where it says Add-ins right here. Click on Add-ins and search for Claude. Click Add, and note it's going to say loading add-ins, and going to give it a minute for it to load. And in here, you're going to see some screens where it's going to ask you to authorize the add-in and then log in to ultimately get it downloaded. I'd already done this previously, so the Cloud add-in kind of shows up right here. And then from here, you're going to click login, where it's going to take you to a code to then copy into your Claude. No, you have to have some of the paid or upgraded plans for it to work directly in Excel. But that's kind of the process that you would then use to get Claude into Excel. If you found this to be helpful, if you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.